Okay, this is my patient. I'm going to do head, neuro, respiratory, um, cardiac assessment on my patient today. So I will start by asking, to see if they are oriented um, to time and place, and start from there and going downward. Okay, so hey, my name is Sam. Can you tell me your last name, your birthday, and how old you are?
Ragusa, June 7th, 2005,
Okay.
17.
Okay. What brought you here today? Okay. So do you know where you are today?
Yes.
Okay. You know the name of the president? Who's the name of the president?
Biden.
Biden. Okay, good. So so at this point now, I am accessing, her physical appearance. So I will start with the head. I will see the head. There is no infestation there. Back of the head, see if there is any bumps. Nothing in there. Mastoid, there's nothing in there. Okay. So I'm done with the head now. So now I'm going to do the eyes. Now check your eyes. And even check the nails at that point. So, can you follow this pen? Don't move your head, just with your eyes. Okay, all right. So, and now, just look ahead, just look straight. I'm just gonna bring this. No, just look. Follow the pen. Follow the pen. Good. Okay, so I'm going to shine. It might be bright for you, so just look straight ahead. Open your eyes straight ahead. Just look straight ahead. Okay. All right. So your pupils are equal and they reacted to the light. So that's good. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna just check your neck. Actually, check your ears. So this will be my stethoscope. I'm just gonna check her ears here. Here. And then even check your nose. Can you open your mouth? Okay. Okay, that's good. That part's good. So now I'm just gonna palpate her neck, see if there is any, nothing here. Okay. Does it hurt when I touch you like this? No? Okay. Nothing there. So now at this point, I'm going to listen for her lung sounds. And for a regular patient, I will have her remove her clothes. So, but now I won't do that. So I'm just gonna listen. So just anytime I touch you with the stethoscope, I would like you to breathe deep and out. Okay. All right, so that's good. And now I would like you to fold your hands like this, and then move back. And every now and when I touch you, just deep breathe in and out. Okay, that's good. All her lungs sound clear. There's no crackles, no wheezing, no ronchi. So at this point now, I will go ahead and listen. See if there is any history of the family of respiratory issue, asthma, check the cardiology, if there is any cardiology issue, heart attack in the family, and she denied that. So now I'm going to listen to her heart. Okay. So just breathe normally with this one. Okay, and for apical pulse, for the purpose of demonstration, I won't listen for 1 minute, for full 1 minute, but so I will be listening for 1 full minute for apical pulse. Okay, I will see, can I see your nails here? Okay, yep, it's good. Circulation there, and I will check see if there is any edema. There's no swellings in her eyes, in her legs. Well, that seems to be good, and there is no issue here. So I'm just going to go ahead and document my findings. Do you have any question for me today? Okay, thank you. Okay, so that is it.